Hi YouTube, so today this is part 4, but I deleted the first one, so it's really part 3. So I just got my honey, and I just got the egg, so yeah, we're set. Okay. Okay, cool. Alright, let's go turn in that one quest. I also got the one quest from Blackbear, so he gave me a quest on 5,000 red pollen. Wow, it's a lot. It's a lot to take in there. It's fine. We also have yet to go over there. It looks like a strawberry field. Expect it to be a lot. Thank you. Okay, just in case. Ah, perfect. That's really convenient. That's why I said. That's why I don't. Thank you. Oh, we dropped a blueberry. Cool. Alright, let's go. Let's go give it to this man. Three ladybugs and 3 rhino bugs? Okay. Or rhino beetles. Okay, I can do that. That'd be easy. I wonder what's in there. Oh, I also saw one. I saw a code on it, and I might do it. I'm not sure if I should or not. So. Okay. Okay. What? Well, volcano spin. Wait, isn't there? Wouldn't it make sense for ladybugs to be in the strawberry field? Yeah, you know what? We haven't been there yet. Plus, there's something over here that I wanted to try. Yeah, take it. Please don't kill that spider. Let the spider. Thank you, game. Thank you. Alright. Okay. And plus, I need to defeat 3 of these suckers, anyways. Okay, cool. Oh, I saw something back here. Oh, it's a little strawberry. Cool. Got my tickets. What's this? 250? What? I don't know. Must be something special for it then. Let's go. Okay. you know what? I didn't get a quest from Mother Bear, so perfect time to drop in. Alright. Oh, I got a royal jelly. Goal gets use 1 royal jelly, okay. Feed 15 treats. I'm at 4, girl. So how do you expect I'm gonna? Okay, I'll do it. Well, I need 1 anyway, so. Oh, no way! Ah! I have no words. I have no words for how happy I am. Oh my gosh. 8 attack speed, 20. Whoa. It's awesome. Thank you, Mother Bear. Thank you. Quest. Awesome. Well, I was not expecting to get a legendary that quickly. That's cool. Alright. Let's go back to that. Let's go to the mushroom field for a bit. Yeah, the ladybugs is done. Cool. Oh, get demolished. Get demolished. Oh, I missed it. What is that anyways? It's so cool. Oh, yes. I get double them. Oh! Oh, sick. I like that. Oh, cool. Oh, I get... Whoa. I'm just really surprised that we got a Lion Bee. It's awesome. Was not expecting to get a Lion Bee that early. Plus, it was a legendary too, so that's why I wasn't expecting it. I was expecting like a common or something. Oh, let's go. We got a treat. Okay, let's go talk to our good old friend Black Bear. We can cut through here. Hey, best friend. Hey, best friend. Oh, 2K, honey. Oh, from a spider field. I'm gonna wait until I get a spider quest from the panda. Then I'm gonna go do that. Okay. Well, we can just go convert this into that. So yeah. Let's give you a single. Oh, let's go. So he doesn't like. Okay, what do you like, Line B? Oh, he likes treats then. What does he like? I'm not sure myself. Oh yeah, forgot. Super happy. Whoa, look at all of his. That one looks tired. Looks like a very tired bee. What was that? Let's go try to go fight some... Oh, wait, no, we're gonna go get her first. Are we? How did I get that? How did I get more storage space in my backpack? I don't know. Let's go get a new backpack though. Can't have... Okay. I'm gonna hop out of there. Let's get a new bee then, if we can. Sweet. Thank you. I can feed this man some treats. Let's start down here. Okay. Let's give you... cancel. I will feed you a strawberry. There's so many of them. Cool. Alright. 15 tickets. Let's go try to go fight that rhino bee in the clover field, and then the rhino bees. What? I said rhino bees. I meant rhino beetles. The rhino beetle in there. The rhino beetle in there. And I can't think today. Some bees. Ooh. Hey friends. Yes. Excuse me. Thank you. Let's go fight this guy. Ooh. Oh, we got a royal jelly from that. Awesome. Oh. Right, let's go fight the... I'm too lazy to go get those. Let's fight this man. Ah! Let's go! Bumblebee. Okay. Okay, well, once I complete this quest, that's gonna be it for this episode. Well, thank you for watching, and goodbye!